Hi, today we're going to add disk space monitoring to our custom performance monitor, and that will complete the setup of the performance monitor. If you haven't seen the first 3 videos on how to create it, where we set up monitoring for CPU, RAM, and network speed, be sure to check them out first. Open the widget editor. Go to the panel category in the preset list. Add a panel with a button. Style the panel to match the one we already have in the widget. Let's remove its background. Add a border. Increase the padding. And change the grid density to make room for other buttons. In this case, the buttons will serve as a background on which disk information will be displayed. So let's change its background to dark gray. And remove the text. After that, go to Expert and make it clonable. I discussed this setting in detail in the first video about Performance Monitor. We also need to increase the grid density for the button so we can place more child elements inside it. And let's increase the padding a bit. The preparatory steps are complete. Let's add information about the disks. Let's add another button inside the gray one that will display the disk icon, and a label that will display its name. Let's immediately remove the border from the text. And let's delete the default text to unlock the plugins. Open the list of plugins. Select the Hardware Monitoring section and the PC Hardware Monitoring plugin. For the names, we'll need the Array of Disk Names parameter. The disk name and its drive letter have appeared. After saving the widget, information about the other disks will appear, but only the system disk is displayed in the editor. Now let's select the blue button. Go to Background, then Image, and Plugin. Select the same plugin, but with the Array of Disk Icons 48 pixels parameter. A disk icon has appeared. Since drive C is the system drive, the Windows logo appears next to it. Now go to Color to remove the button's background. Great. Select the main button and add 2 more labels. They will show the free disk space. Let's remove their borders right away and place them at the bottom. Change the text on the left label to Free, and on the right, delete the default text to unlock the plugins. Select the same PC Hardware Monitoring plugin and the Array of Disk Free Space parameter. After that, you can resize all the text and change the text alignment for the bottom right one. All that's left is to add a progress bar that will visually show how much free space is left on the disk. Select the main button, open the presets list, and add a progress bar from the corresponding category. Increase its padding slightly. After that, you can bind the plugin. Go to Track, then Position Value, and Plugin. Select our plugin again. But this time we'll need the Array of Disk Free Space Share parameter. Done. You can save the widget. After that, other disks will appear on the panel. Since we performed all these actions within the clone button, after this series of lessons, you can create your own custom performance monitor and customize it to your liking. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of keyboard extension,